The tranquility of northern Galilee can be disrupted at any moment by incoming fire from Hezbollah just a few miles from here. Today, local residents will receive 10 new bomb shelters to protect them in times of attacks.
יישוב בצפון, קו עימות, 8 קילומטרים מהגבול. חדשנו במיגונית חדשה בזכותכם. תודה רבה על לשמור על הביטחון שלנו. תודה לכם, תודה לכל התורמים.
These newly donated shelters are on their way to the most vulnerable public areas in 4 communities on the Lebanese border, like bus stops and children's playgrounds.
מושב צוריאל, 6 קילומטר מלבנון. עכשיו הוא מושב מאוים, עם נפילות של טילים. התרומה שלכם חשובה מאוד להגנת הילדים ביישוב.
The resilience of the residents here is inspiring, but there is still fear for what might come next. Thanks to our donors, we're able to encourage these families and provide some protection for these brave people. The locals are excited to see new shelters in their neighborhood. They express that even seeing the team installing the shelters gives them a sense that they are not alone.
5 kilometers from the border, you can look out there and you can see the missiles coming in. That's the Lebanese border, the mountains that you see. We want to thank you very much, Vision for Israel, for putting these shelters for our children. These shelters are placed near the school bus stations. The kids have 5 seconds when they hear the alarm to get into the shelter. That's all, 5 seconds. Thank you very much for your contribution. Thank you very much for your support. You're doing a wonderful thing.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. The kids appreciate it. 2 weeks ago, there was an alert for missiles and they didn't know what to do. They just lay down on the road. And this will give them a solution for them not to be frightened. And very much appreciated.
To finish the day, we installed 2 shelters at a regional school where 1,200 students previously had no protection in case of an attack.
וממש ממש לא מוגנים, אין כלום. כל המבנה הזה שאתם רואים פה, אשכול הפיס, אין לו אפילו ממד אחד. אני מקווה שזה יהיה רק ההתחלה, שיהיה לתלמידים שלנו לפחות בשעת חירום מקום להתגונן בו. וזהו, והמון תודה, שום דבר לא מובן מאליו, המון תודה.
It's been a productive day. 10 more shelters are in place to support the local families and remind them that we stand together with Israel.
Thank you very much.